Camera is not video.
Yeah, camera. And video.
Okay, you need to remember average. Average is the total and then you divide by quantity. That is average. But you need to remember, if the question already gave the average, what you need to do? We need to find the total. How you want to find the total? Okay, we need to times the answer, the average, you need to times with the quantity. Then you look at the next question and then you can take action. Okay, you look at the what is the question once and then you know how to solve. But normally if the question already gave the average, you need to find the total first. Then baru you tengok what is the question once. Okay, so average finish already. We are settled in average. And then we got the last subtopic. Okay, still same topic, data handling. So the last subtopic, it should be, okay, how you want to construct a pie chart. Okay, from of a set of data. Actually for this one, you already learned in standard 5. Do you still remember that? Do you still remember that? Okay, what kind of chart you, sorry? Okay, for standard 5 is bar chart, correct? But for standard 6, they ask you to draw a pie chart. You know what is a pie chart? You know what is the shape of a pie? What shape? Circle, right? So your pie chart also should be circle. I don't want after this, I can see your pie chart become rectangle, become star. Later I punch you. Okay, pie chart should be circle. Okay, now you look at in front here. So we construct a pie chart from a given set of data.
By the end of this lesson, you should be able to construct a pie chart from a given set of data. Did you know a story is not the only way to communicate information? There are other ways we can learn new information. When we read maps, charts, graphs or pictures, it is important for us to understand how to get information. Why are graphs often used in newspapers, magazines and businesses around the world? Graphs and charts are useful because they communicate information visually.
Okay class, this is what you learn in standard 5, correct? That we call is bar chart. Okay, if you look at this one, what type of bar chart for this one? Because got two type of bar chart. This one is horizontal. If the bar chart from left to right, vertical. Okay. Okay, so we look at the next one.
Sometimes complicated information is difficult to understand and needs an illustration. Graphs or charts can help impress people by getting your point across quickly and visually. Do you know what these graphs are? They are called circle graphs or pie charts. Look at this graph. The circle graph looks like a pie, representing the whole that has been cut into slices, representing the parts. Each slice is proportional in size to the part of the whole that it represents. The slice of each pie chart is appropriately labeled with either its actual count or the percentage of the whole that it represents.
Okay, for pie chart, you understand, right? Okay, this is the shape. They already told us also pie chart as a pie, exactly like a pie, correct? So dia tak ada bentuk dekat sini as a star, as a rectangle, as a square, no. Okay, so if you look at from your pie chart here, normally the information, the important is make sure you must write the title. Okay, something like this, monthly electricity expenditure at home. Okay, this is the title. After that, you need to know, you need to write also what is the things for every single what? Slice. But you don't eat, okay? And then the things, every single things over there, make sure normally they put percentage. Okay, they put percentage. Okay, so normally if they give the information, they don't want to write, they don't give the percentage, but you have to find out the percentage by your own. Okay, itu you punya task untuk draw ataupun buat a pie chart.
What can you tell from this pie chart? This pie chart tells us how 20 children go to school. How many methods of transport does this pie chart show? This pie chart is divided into 4 slices of parts. So it shows 4 methods of transport: the school bus, bike, car, and walk. We can extract the information from the pie chart and write it in a table like this. What does each slice show? The biggest slice shows 40% of the children go to school by school bus. 20% of the children cycle to school. The smallest slice shows 10% of them go by car and 30% walk to school.
Okay, normally from your pie chart got percentage, right? So the whole of pie chart, if you plus all the percentage, should be, make sure must be enough 100%. If not 100%, so your pie chart already got problem. Okay, the whole of a pie chart should be 100%. Now, if you look at from here, school bus is 40%, and then you should know what is the value that 40%. How you want to find the value 40%? So that means how many of them go to school by school bus? How you want to find the answer? 40% we convert to fraction as usual. So 40 over 100 times the total. The total is 20 children. So 40 over 100 times 20, and then you know how many of them go to school by school bus. And then the rest also should be same. And then after you plus everything, okay, school bus, bike, car and walk, you plus, the total should be 20 children. Do you understand, class? Cannot be less, cannot be more. Okay, because they already put there the total of the students is 20 children.
The percentages must add up to 100. Why? This one whole pie represents 100%, which equals a total of 20 children. What else can you tell about this pie chart? We can also tell the fraction of each slice. 40% is 40 hundredths or 4 tenths. 20% is 20 hundredths or 2 tenths.
This is the
10% is 10 hundredths or 1 tenth, and 30% is 30 hundredths or 3 tenths.
Kepada murid bernama Muhammad Haris
The whole pie is
berempati
divided
sila
into
pejabat
10
dengan
equal
membawa
parts.
beg study. Terima kasih.
Each slice of the pie is proportional in size to the part of the whole that it represents. What is the difference between the biggest and the smallest slice? The difference between the biggest and the smallest slice is 3 tenths. this difference in percentage? The difference in percentage is 30%. What is the actual number of children each slice of the pie represents?
Yeah, this one we already discussed just
Using
now,
the
right?
percentage or fraction, we can now find the actual number. 4/10 of 20 children is equal to 8 children. So, the number of children who go to school by the school bus is 8. 2/10 of 20 children is equal to 4 children. So, 4 children cycle to school. 1/10 of 20 equals 2. So, 2 children go to school by car. 3/10 of 20 equals 6. So, 6 children walk to school. Now, check if these numbers total up to 20. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 equals 20. Yes, the answer is correct. How would you compare the number of children who walk to school and those who cycle? 10% or 2 more children walk to school than those who cycle. How many times as large as the number going by car is the number going by school bus? It is 4 times as large. What can you conclude from the pie chart? Most of the 20 children go to school by school bus and the least go by car. The bigger the slice of the pie chart, the bigger the proportion or the amount it represents.
Okay, class. So far, do you have any problem? Do you understand, class? Okay, why they put something like this? Okay, this one 40% they put 4/10 because they try to simplify that from 40% is 4/10 because easier for us to draw a pie chart. Okay, because you look at the slice. So 4/10. So you just draw a pie chart. Make sure got 10 slices. Got 10 slices, and then 4/10 get so that means from 4 slices they want for school bus, and then 2/10 2 slices 2 part they want for bike. Do you understand, class? You combine that 2 slices 2 part, you combine they want for what? Okay, and then the rest also same. Any problem?
Arun conducted a survey on favorite pets among his friends. The table shows the data he collected. How else can he display the data?
This is how you want to draw a pie chart.
Yes, he can draw a pie chart. Let's help him construct the pie chart. The circle represents one whole pie. What is the total amount this whole pie represents?
Firstly, we need to find
It
the
represents
total.
40 children. How many slices or parts should the pie chart display?
Sorry? 4. Are you sure?
Why?
Why? No answer.
The pie chart should display 4 slices because there are 4 types of pets.
Okay, very good.
How would you decide the size of each slice? So, we need to find the fraction of the number of children for each type of pet. What fraction is the number of children who like cats? 10 over 40 equals 1/4.
Are you clear?
What fraction is the number of children who like hamsters? 15 over 40 equals 3/8. What about those who like fish? It is 1/4 also. What fraction represents those who like dogs? 5/40 equals 1/8. What do you notice about the fractions?
Okay class, why you need to simplify? Okay, if you don't want to simplify, can. But from your pie chart, you need to draw 40 part, 40 slices. You want to draw 40 slices? Or 40 parts? Now you just simplify like this, and then you look at which one is the big denominator. Number 8. So you look at this one, this one is number 4. 4 can be number 8 also, correct? And then you just check all the denominator can get the same number. So it's number 8. Then you can draw here 8 part or 8 slices. Are you clear? After you got 8 slices here, and then you look at for cats, is 1/4. We convert that 4 become 8, so that's mean 2/8. So that's mean 2 part, that one belongs to, sorry, cats. Do you understand class? That's why we need to simplify. You don't want to simplify, can, but you need to draw here got 40 parts. It's very difficult for us. Okay, I don't think you can draw 40 parts, got 40 equal parts from here. Alright? 8 should be okay. Because why? You just 1, 2. You already got 4. And then 1 from there, and then another one from another one. So you already got 8 equal parts. Correct?
Sila ambil perhatian kepada ketua kelas 4H dan 6A. Sila ke pejabat sekarang. Terima kasih.
The denominators are not the same. Each slice should be proportional in size to the part of the whole, so we need to change 1/4 to 8ths. 1/4 equals 2/8. How many parts do you divide the circle into? We divide the circle into 8 equal parts first. Each part equals 1/8 and it represents 5 children. Now, we can determine the size of the slice for each type of pet. Let us color and label each slice. Color 2 parts or 2/8 yellow for 10 children who like cats. Color 3 parts or 3/8 green for 15 children who like hamsters. Color 2 parts or 2/8 blue for 10 children who like fish. And color 1 part or 1/8 red for 5 children who like dogs. The number of children for each type of pet shown in the pie chart is now labeled as a fraction. The slices are now done. How else can you represent the data on the pie chart? Good. We can use percentages too.
That's why we need to find the
Let's find the percentage of the number of children for each type of pet.
Okay, do you still remember how you want to find the percentage? Do you still remember class? Okay, how? Times 100%. So cats is 2/8. So we just times 100%. Okay, kalau nak buat lebih mudah, 2/8 you simplify become 1/4. So 1/4 times 100%, you already know 25%. So actually from your pie chart, you just put here cats and then 25%. Normally they just show the percentage. Okay, that's why you need to find the percentage. How you want to find the percentage? Firstly, make sure you know the fraction. Okay, the fraction must be over the total, and then you can find the percentage.
percentage of the number of children who like cats is 25%. The percentage of the number of children who like hamsters is 37.5%. The percentage of those who like fish is also 25%. And those who like dogs is 12.5%. What title would you give to this pie chart?
So, what title? That's all. The number of children. Sorry? Okay.
Good. You can write the title as Favorite Pets.
That's all.
This is the finished pie chart. It is the same chart as the previous one, except that the labels no longer tell the fraction of the number of children, but the percentages. Note that the total of the percentage sizes of each slice is equal to 100% or 1, the whole pie. What is the most liked pet?
Which one? They already showed the answer. See, they highlight already.
From the pie chart, we can see that the biggest slice is 37.5%. So the most liked pet is the hamster. What is the least liked pet? The dogs make up the smallest amount of the pie by number.
I think this type of the question is not suitable for you. Standard 6. I think standard 1 also they can answer, correct? What is the most liked pet? So they just look at from the pie chart, which one is the biggest one, should be that one lah. Takkan standard 6 still you don't know. Who still don't know? Later I teach you. Okay?
Maaf atas gangguan. Kepada semua guru yang belum membuat laporan ketidakberadaan guru dan murid di dalam rekod MMI, sila berbuat demikian sebelum hari Jumaat ini kerana laporan akan ditutup pada minggu hadapan bagi bulan April 2013. Sekian, terima kasih.
Study this pie chart, then answer the questions. Click on the correct answer. Click check to check your answer. This pie chart shows the type of pizza Year 6 Bijak like best. Which is the most popular pizza?
This one, you don't know, I kick you outside. So which one is the answer? Okay, so should be spicy chicken. You just look at the percentage normally. Sometimes we don't know, we cannot recognize which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Sometimes we look at the part, something like same. Correct? But you just look at from the information here. It's 35%, 30%, 15% and 20%. So the question is, okay, this pie chart shows the type. Okay. So which one is the answer? Most popular. So boring.
Excellent. Which is the least popular?
Which one? Anybody wanna try? Exactly like standard 1, right? Anybody wanna try? Okay, come in front. Exactly standard 1. Give clap to him. Okay, I think this one actually, that's why I told you, betul-betul tak sesuai for standard 6. Okay, maybe dia kena buat more advanced after this.
Construct a pie chart from the given data in the table.
This is for you.
Click on the correct fraction chart template.
Which one? Why A? Because 4 type of ice cream. Is it correct? Yes. Are you sure A? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. This is for Kishore answer.
Huh?
Excellent! Drag the pencil colors to color the slices of the pie chart.
Why correct?
Follow the color code below.
Why correct? The total number of children. See, lucky you not click the first answer. Okay. So color code vanilla, yellow, chocolate brown, strawberry pink, mint green. Okay. Now anybody want to try? Color standard 1. Please color. I don't want Kishore. Kishore's kindergarten 1. Okay, Aiman. Aiman for vanilla. Chocolate. Who wants chocolate? Jeremiah. Who wants strawberry? Who is Pinky Boy here?
Take this. Yeah. We need chocolate 4. What I do?
Okay, next strawberry. Kali. Banyak sangat cakap, cikgu bagi dia pin. Okay, and then for me. Okay, Joshua. Why no girl at all, huh? Okay.
Excellent! Click and drag the correct labels for each ice cream flavor.
Okay, this one all for girls. One by one. Faster, Dolly.